My name is Courtney Smith, and I will be reading A Boy, a Ball, and a Dog by Gianna Marino. There was never a ball the boy wouldn't throw, or one his dog couldn't catch. Until one day the wind changed. This ball, the boy thought, I might not catch. Come back, said the boy, but the ball didn't listen. Woof, barked the dog, but the wind didn't listen either. Wait, said the boy. Whoosh went the wind. Woof, barked the dog. This ball, the dog thought, I must catch. And he did. But when he turned, the boy was nowhere to be found. What good was the ball without the boy? Whoosh! It was almost lost forever. Until the wind changed again. Whoosh went the wind. Woof, barked the dog. Yes, said the boy. There was never a ball the boy wouldn't throw, or one his dog couldn't catch. The end.